So it's the reason I mentioned this is the system definitely works because one, you hear, and then two, it was definitely something that triggered you to keep watching, right? Because YouTube, yes, once you watch one video, they'll keep showing you, multiple things. But then now YouTube has, I don't know if you, I'm assuming you watch it mostly on your phone.
Yeah.
You can select on the top if it's podcast that you're watching, if it's music. Like if I'm at the gym, I don't listen to Spotify. I still listen music on YouTube. And I just click the music and I have the playlist that I want, right?
You're listening to the Full-Time Lash Artist Podcast. If you want to jumpstart your lash career, you can also watch Cosme's free lash training at www.fulltimelashartist.com. Let's grow.
So for the artist, it's still considered a play because they don't know if I actually watched the video of that song or if it's just playing in my pocket. Like YouTube doesn't know that. Like it's like for them, it's a win-win anyway. So that's why I say YouTube is the best platform out of all. It's also the hardest to punch through. Easiest, in my opinion, would be how comfortable are you on camera?
I don't really mind.
You don't mind?
No.
Oh, good.
Really.
So she's really unique. Like all of the questions that
She doesn't have any.
Yeah.
Well, she doesn't. So wait. She doesn't have the social media platforms. It's not a bad thing because she would consume content on those. I don't mind. Like that, it doesn't matter when you use it with intention. To know the fact, like I'm gonna you take let's say Saturday and Sunday. Saturday, so when I came on, you guys were talking about ChatGPT. You do not use ChatGPT at work? No, it has to be your best. I was telling you the other week. I think I talk to ChatGPT more than I talk to her on a daily basis. Like I ask anything that you can imagine. I don't know, like whatever you want to think. It has a solution in like a couple of seconds. You need a new plan at the gym. You tell ChatGPT what's your age, what's your age, what's your schedule, if you have any hormonal imbalance, what's your diet, what's your preferred method of working out, and it would generate a fitness plan for you to do day by day. And then also keep track of it. You can send you reminders now to.
I believe it because what she showed me, I was so amazed.
What the caption? The one of the videos.
We asked something about beginner lash artists.
Yeah, like 3 reasons.
3 reasons to.
No, but I every time I talk about this example, if I'm tired, it's 9 p.m. Let's say I don't want to order. I go in the fridge, I open the fridge, I take a photo.
Yeah, that's crazy.
You upload the photo and it makes you a plan of what you can cook without using the oven. It's something that you can throw in the microwave, whatever. Like, I don't know, anything. Like you have a problem with your car, you take a photo of that and then you ask ChatGPT what. I was at CVS about a month or 2 months ago. I had a couple skin spots. And the guy didn't know what to recommend me. I'm like, what the hell? I went a little bit in the back, pulled my t-shirt, took a selfie, uploaded to ChatGPT, and I said, let me know what you think the skin condition is, and what can I buy from CVS, from the CVS located at whatever, because you can access the inventory online. And you can see whatever it's available, so it doesn't recommend you something that it's.
They even recognize my name.
Yeah,
without saying anything. I asked something and he said, "Yeah, sure, Cosmina," but I didn't mention the name.
And you didn't set it in the settings?
No, nothing.
I set it up myself
Cosmina.
in a way to recognize it. And then we haven't even talked about the voice. You probably don't use the voice too much.
The voice I did the
Yeah,
first
did?
time.
She did.
Oh, okay. Oh, and the voice, it's responded with your name.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so that makes sense. If you would have done that in the text, it would have been a little creepy. Because I know mine, I set it up because it asked me, "How do you want me to call you?" How do?
I didn't set up anything.
Yeah, but the voice one, maybe. I have to look. It's probably when I create it. But no, that and then the paid version, I have the paid version, but the free one, it's for the next 6 months at least. Just rip the benefits of it, like use it every day for everything. It's crazy because it's so, other people complain, oh, I'm gonna lose my job because of it. And make your job easier and deliver things faster now with, especially like now he creates photos like really. I took a photo of our backyard and I said, we plan to, I said, act like a world-class landscaping company and design and backyard design company. And based on my property located at, and then I gave the address because you can access the deed online because it's all public information.
Right.
I uploaded a few photos and I said, give me 3 versions of how would you redesign my backyard. One being budget friendly, second one being a little more in between, and then third one a little more luxurious style. Elements that I want in there are a small pool, sauna, whatever. And like the
I can
design,
imagine what the pictures were like.
crazy. You need a plan for where to travel next, and you need a what do you call to search for the best tickets. ChatGPT will do that.
What?
Like
It even gives you the other day I searched to change those cartons black. I took a picture of them and they
you
gave
really,
me a whole,
you really started using it, like I said.
they gave me a whole links from Amazon with the same model.
I'm impressed to hear. I didn't know that. She typically doesn't. Do
I
well
only
with
use for like posting on the
captions.
captions and things like that. But now I'm like,
descriptions.
I was thinking
Everyday
one
life.
day, how should I order this? I don't even know how to call them. And then, oh, hold a second. I took a picture.
Or you want to redesign the space here to see how
that's
this will look.
Crazy.
You measure the the square footage. You tell the square footage. You take a few screenshots from a couple.
Amazing, easy. You don't have to use your brain.
Right.
Well, it matters how you ask
How
the
you
prompt
ask, yeah.
because if you give it a vanilla question, it'll give you a vanilla answer.
Yeah.
Like you have to. The more specific you are, especially the fact that you can tell it to, like when I need something, let's say I want some reverse psychology type of response for a video or whatever, I can even tell it, you read 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene, or you read for this prompt, act like you read, like you like Mel Robbins books, act right. So if you want the response to be similar to what those artists or writers talk and the way that people, like you can tell it you read or you're familiar with Monique's makeup videos. You can even give the link to the YouTube channel. Look at all these videos and maybe you record one with yourself and tell me what can I do to improve my own version of creating videos.
What?
I want to sound more similar to Monique than I sound, right? Like all kinds of different things.
That is
You start posting a few photos and videos on Instagram, and then you tell ChatGPT, inspect my account and tell me what can I do better to get a better reach.
so. This is great.
It's like there's no reason to not just rip the benefits of it.
Yeah, I downloaded it so quick once you showed me.
Yeah, you need a Gmail account or whatever. All right, I know we went in a lot of different questions.
All I know is that I need to get social media in order to be.
Yeah, so if I would do a plan for you, like just something quick that you can implement, like as soon as possible. The 3 platforms that you cannot live without for this, like these are just the mandatory ones. Are first, it's not even Instagram, it's Google Maps, because Google is the one that you actually search for yourself, right? Now, it used to be called Google Listing. It used to be called Google My Business. It used to be, they change it every year. Think of it as Google Maps. When you search for something and it shows on the right side, if you're on desktop, if it's on mobile, it's only one side that
Yeah.
you show up. And it shows the reviews. That's Google Maps. You need a Gmail account and that's it. One thing that I would recommend is before you do that, make sure you have the name decided. because the second platform would be Instagram. It has to be set as a business account. When you create your Instagram account, it asks you personal, business, or creator.
Right.
In this case, creator or business are pretty much the same, but business gives you the ability to put a book link integrated directly with Instagram. It's easier analytics for when you start running ads. Because again, when you become serious, the organic side, it's okay to start with. But when you want to be serious about it, ads and promotions are where it's at.
Right.
Because you want to think of it almost like a light switch. You need more light, meaning you need more clients, you turn it on. You're fully booked, turn it off. That's how you have to think of, again, it's a pay to play. You either pay with money to invest into, and you can start with as low as $5 a day.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to spend, thousands of dollars at first.
Right.
And you shouldn't, because at first you want to get familiar with how things work. Same on Google. So first, Google Maps, number one. Second, Instagram account to the business account. And then a Facebook page. So in order to have a Facebook page, you need to have a Facebook profile, personal profile, like your name. And even if you decide to have the whole business set as your personal name, the way Cosmina has it, you still have to go into Facebook and create used to be fan pages a while ago. But in theory, it's a business page. Just you can name it the same way as your profile. You just have to connect it with the Instagram account. Instagram is going to ask you if you have a Facebook page that you want to connect it with. So you have to connect the business page with the Instagram account. Why? When you post on Instagram, it automatically posts on Facebook.
Right.
There's no reason why. There's no reason why why you shouldn't get traffic from both. Because at the end of the day, that's what it is. Is you want as much traffic as possible, as more people as possible to see your content. These three are enough to begin with, but Google now allows you to add every social platform integrated in Google Maps. The reason that you want to create a Pinterest account, a LinkedIn, a TikTok, a YouTube channel, even if you don't have any plan to post a video, at least to have the same username, same name, so you can have the URL to post it in the Google Maps settings.
If you got a passion for lashes, let me see it. It's time to level up. If you need me to, I'll teach you my 6-figure secret. Better believe it, cause I believe in you. You're listening to the Full-Time Lash Artist Podcast. If you want to jumpstart your lash career, you can also watch Cosme's free lash training at www.fulltimelashartist.com. Let's grow.